Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and you can do it by pressing this button with the square on it. So let me do it. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all previously opened apps. Of course, you can close only one of it, for example, by swiping it to the right or to the left, or just tapping on this X button. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. But if you'd like to remove all of them, just tap on Clear All. And as you can see, we just got back to the homepage, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, so it means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually, this is it. This is how to close background apps in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.